Hello and Tesla to everyone. Today we have 2018 Honda CR-V Touring, and it's having our engine lights on and throwing uh, P0172 system to which bank 1. So let's do some diagnose. And with the engine on, this Honda have 100,000, more than 100,000 kilometers. And let's check some data. And the cylinder 2 is misfiring, and it's happening every few minutes, and that's not good. And the rest looks fine. Cylinder 1, 3 and 4 are not having any misfiring, so it's good. Let's check some fuel value on each injector. So the second fuel injector is having the less value. It means that less duty cycle on the injector by the ECM. The rest looks same value, so I like it. And before going further, I like to check the spark plugs and the ignition coil, which can or possible make the injector have a less value by the ECM. By checking the spark plugs and the coil, I don't see any problems. So I also want to make sure that the cylinder number 2 is not having any mechanical issue, and I also didn't see any problem. And now we are going forward to change the injectors, and it comes with a set with 4 injectors, so we're going to change all the cylinder injectors, which is good that we are not going to have problem anymore soon. After changing the injectors, let's see some value. Now we have like steady and same value on every injectors. which is supposed to be, and we fixed another car again today. Thank you.